I'm Sarah, professional makeup artist and licensed esthetician, and I'm going to show you how to clean a makeup brush. What you're going to need includes a makeup brush that needs to be cleaned, some makeup brush cleaner. You can find some at your local drugstore or even order some good ones online, as well as something to spray the makeup brush cleaner into and wipe this stuff off. So first what you're going to do is take the makeup brush cleaner and just spray that pad a few times. And then you want to take your brush and just wipe off what you have on it. And you should really do this after you use your brush every single time. This way you'll have less bacteria on your skin, less chance of getting eye infections or anything in your eyes or anything like that. Keeps it nice and clean. Then you just need to allow your brush to dry before you use it. So that's how to clean a cosmetic makeup brush. For more tips, you can check out my website at glowbysarah.com.